Hi, this is Kumar and in this video we are going to talk about how to read price charts. The price of all major currencies are always moving by the second, and so the price is recorded and represented in price charts for us. We covered the fact that a charting software is needed in order to trade, and so here we will discuss exactly how to read the charts. Price charts are represented by time on the horizontal axis and price on the vertical axis. As the price, which is the exchange rate, changes, it is updated in the chart in real time. As you can see, price is changing here in real time, and this is all recorded by the second in the chart. There are many different ways that we choose to see the chart, and we all know that a chart or graph can be represented in many ways. The most common ways for traders to see the price chart is the line chart, OHLC charts, and candlestick charts. At each moment in time, there is a price for a particular currency, and this can be seen from any type of chart. So as I just went through it, we first had a line chart, then we have another type of chart called OHLC, and then we also have the candlestick chart. All of these charts are the exact same price chart of the same currency, but just represented in a different way. Each of these types of charts will be explained in more detail below, so continue reading and I'll see you in the next video.